So often when I'm in groups or in settings or in spaces, I will say, I don't know that we can create a safe space, but what I am wanting to be able to do is create a brave space. And out of that was born this company that I've developed called Brave Company. And Brave is an acronym that stands for boldly resilient, authentically valued, and expecting. And this idea of expecting is a bit of a play on word. It can mean a couple of things. Expecting for the birthing individual would mean expecting the child. But for non-pregnant individuals, expecting really is about, what are you expecting in life? What are you open to? What are you considering? As I think many of us in the last couple of years, with what has been happening locally, on a state level, nationally, globally, right? The very real stressors that are there for populations. Thinking about how we show up in a brave way. Yeah. So anyway, so that's where Brave Company has been born out of the last couple of years, where I have had to figure out how I'm showing up in spaces as a Black woman.
And I think that transparency and that validation, and a lot of times, I mean, and this is something our colleague, Dr. Mila Gibson's taught me, like, these are systems that can harm you. And so it's not only about feeling safe, it is justified, around actions too. And so, yeah, that transparency and that recognition, and, like, to me, that proactive acknowledgement to build, like, decision making around how we want to engage